Hi, I'm Mike Fiffick, the managing partner here at Fiffick Law Group. Well, the COVID pandemic restrictions are waning and businesses are starting to resume more normal operations. And that's great news. We all welcome a return to normalcy. But that doesn't mean that businesses aren't facing new post-pandemic challenges. Let's face it, the pandemic was a fierce teacher. But how will small business owners apply the lessons that were learned? Knowing something and doing something about it are two totally different things. Here's what we see as key issues for small businesses in the immediate post-pandemic economy. Businesses still need economic help to recover and reopen. We've been out front keeping our clients advised on various governmental programs offering financial support for small businesses. These programs are still available. If you're a restaurant, a caterer, an event venue operator, food truck operator, anybody in the food business, the Restaurant Revitalization Fund is accepting applications for grants. And the application process is underway with the SBA. Even if you received a PPP loan, you can still be eligible for a grant under this program. But hurry up, because it's first come, first serve, and the funds are limited. But some of our clients who have applied and took our advice have qualified for over $1 million in grant benefits under this program. There is also a program called the Supplemental Targeted Advance Program, also through the SBA. This is related to the economic injury disaster loans that the SBA was granting, except the Supplemental Targeted Advance grants are grants. You don't have to pay them back. And small businesses can get up to $5,000 under these grants. This applies to all kinds of businesses, especially sole proprietors and self-employed persons. So it's very important that you go ahead and apply. Again, the funds are limited. Access to capital, always a key to business success, is as critical now as ever. Some of the COVID business legislation that made loans available through the SBA more attractive than ever. The SBA is waiving origination fees for many of its small business loans. And those origination fees are typically 3% of the loan amount. So on a $500,000 loan, that means that you save $15,000 in origination fees. But hurry up, those programs expire in September. In addition, the SBA will pay the first 3 months of your loan for you, up to $27,000 of loan payments made by the government for your business. Getting materials and supplies are also going to be a big issue in the post-pandemic world. And it's going to be tough to get enough supplies on hand to meet your customer orders. You have to make sure that your contracts have price escalation clauses in them because prices are going up constantly on materials. SBA loans can help you expand your business. You can get capital for inventory purchases and storage so that you have on hand what you need to satisfy demand. And there are going to be lots of opportunities in this post-pandemic world. Perhaps you're buying a new business, merging with another, or even acquiring a competitor's business. All of these small business loans can be available to you to take advantage of some of these post-pandemic opportunities. Rehiring employees, going to be a big issue. There's a shortage of employees right now, and we think that this will continue until school is over and folks figure out what they're going to do for childcare. Well, we're also going to have issues relating to resuming in-office work, vaccination policies for employers, and having employees who don't want to come back to work and want to continue to work remotely. These will be challenges for businesses that can offer remote work. We say that with every crisis comes opportunities, and fortune does favor the bold. What will you do to capitalize on the lessons that you learned during COVID and the opportunities whenever they present themselves? The world went digital in COVID, and that's not going away anytime soon. Businesses will need to be able to continue to connect with their customers digitally now more than ever. And you're going to have to hire employees who have that digital skill set, or invest in some training of your current employees so that they can continue to work with these digital tools to connect with your customers and meet their expectations. It's going to be a busy and challenging time. You'll have less time than ever to work on your business because you'll be spending all of your time working in your business. Maybe because you don't have enough employees and you have to handle the front counter and do things that you normally have employees to handle. Just taking care of the things that need to be done on a day-to-day basis are going to consume a significant portion of your time as a small business owner. Well, you'll have less time for problem solving, less time to research and find out answers to questions that are presented to you. That's where access to business attorneys can be a huge asset to you. You don't need to know the answers. All you need to know is our phone number. All you need to know is our email address. All you need to know is how to get a hold of us, your business attorneys. That's what we're here for, to be a resource to you. We have the answers that you need so that you can continue meeting these post-pandemic challenges and making your business successful. Thank you.